Hi everyone, it's Anne from Curious Moon Design. Well, I'm going to show you a very different needlebook today. It's not quite like my usual style. Remember seeing these. I'll put the link below to my traditional looking needlebooks. Just a quick look through those. Lots of pockets and I have very elaborate ones. But this one is for Jen and Hannah. They're going on holiday and you've guessed it, they're going to Disney. They've made lovely dresses to wear in the parks, and I thought I would add to it. One of the dresses is in this fabric, which was an old curtain, and I thought I would make a needlebook for them to take, so that just in case they have any alterations they need to make or repairs, they've got some things in hand. So I made it out of these squares that were part of the fabric of one of the dresses, and it's just a simple needlebook, this one, because I didn't want it too elaborate for them to take with their luggage. So I've got Mickey there, Minnie inside, and I've just added 2 felt pieces for the pages and put a pocket there with Donald peering out. I've put a button card in. I'm going to check with them whether they want that button card, or I could put this one in, which is more like some of the buttons on their dresses, so I'll check with them on that. I put some poppers in, a single button card, and a little cotton reel with a neutral colour on. And then on here I've just got 3 needles, 2 threaded with white and black, some pins, a needle threader. I probably don't need that because I can thread a needle, but it's quite handy, so I've just added it there. A pair of little scissors which I've tied in with a bow. I'm not sure whether they can take those in the hold on the plane, but I'll check with them. Some safety pins, essential things, more pins, and then I've left the back page for anything they want to add. And there's Donald there, and Goofy, I think, if I remember rightly. I just put a little panel down the middle just to hold the felt in. So it was a very, very simple make, but really quite cute, I think. Normally I put cards in my needlebooks, button cards and old-fashioned dressmaking cards, but I'm not going to put any of those in there because I want it to be as light as possible. So I did promise I was going to make some different needlebooks this year, so that's the first one, which is quite simple, but I am going to look at different designs. This was slightly different to my norm, the pocket there, but these are my more traditional needlebooks that I make. I'm giving this one away soon. So I hope you enjoyed looking through that, and as I say, very, very easy to make. Just 2 bits of fabric 2 pieces of felt and a bit of machine stitch, but you could hand stitch it. So a quick pop on today. Hope you enjoyed looking through that. Join me next time where I'll be doing some more fabric and paper crafting. Happy crafting, everyone!